After the age of 50, my mother began experiencing occasional numbness in her fingers and toes, something many people ignore, but a doctor's advice completely changed the situation. A friend of hers, a doctor, explained that this could be related to vascular health and shared a simple traditional method to support circulation. The treatment course is as follows. In the evening, take 1/3 cup of flax seeds, pour 1 liter of water over them, bring it to a boil, and keep it on low heat in a water bath for 2 hours. Leave it overnight to infuse, then strain it in the morning. You should get about 850 milliliters of a thick, jelly-like liquid. Consume this over 5 days. 1/3 cup in the morning on an empty stomach, 1/3 cup in the evening before meals. For best results, follow this routine for 15 days and repeat after 3 months if needed. It worked well for my mother. Flaxseed is rich in soluble fiber and plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which may help support circulation, improve cholesterol balance, and reduce inflammation. Its gel-like texture can also aid digestion and support metabolic health. With consistent use, some people report reduced numbness, improved circulation, and better overall energy levels. Over time, this may contribute to improved well-being and a healthier appearance. The result will not keep you waiting. You will not only feel better, but also look better. Small daily habits can make a bigger difference than most people expect.